Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finally obtain the grass cake recipe in Heartopia. So if you select the planet icon here and go to Adventure Alley, basically you'll need to collect the puzzle pieces every single day. It's the same as the Little Pony Connection one. And then on day 6, you'll be able to obtain the grass cake recipe. I'm not on day 6 yet, but I'm showing you guys so you can collect and open these puzzle pieces now. You will get some exhibition passes along the way, and you'll get then the grass cake, and then at the end, you'll get this clothing. Okay, I thought it was for your pet, but it's for you, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.